Today, my heroes, we have revision for the first quiz. And as you know, tomorrow, inshallah, we have a quiz. So, let's start with the revision. And let's start with the first question. Ahmed Anwar.
Teacher, wait for me. Yes, teacher.
Go ahead, Ahmed.
Marshall baked the trays of muffins shown below. How many muffins did he bake?
How many muffins in each tray?
18.
Okay, excellent. The total is 18. Of course, my heroes, we have here in the first 6, second 6, and third 6. So each tray has 6 muffins. We can do it using multiplication or repeated addition. You can do 6 plus 6 plus 6, or you can do also 6 times 3, and you get the same answer, 18. Any problems? Okay, thank you, Ahmed.
Teacher, no. Yesterday I did it.
Any problems?
No?
Okay, if you don't have any problems, my hero, please do not use your mic. Okay, next, Ali Abdulaziz. Ali Abdulhadi Abdulaziz. Ali Abdulhadi. Abdullah Juma. Abdullah Juma. Tamim Fahad.
Teacher, I'm Ali.
Oh, Ali is here.
Yes,
And who's this? This is Tamim. Okay, Tamim, wait for the next question. And Abdullah, go ahead. Question number 2. Abdullah? Abdullah, use your mic, my hero. Abdullah?
Teacher, Abdullah, what?
Abdullah Juma.
He's here. Abdullah, I see him, but he's not answering. Maybe he's in
Okay,
the
yes, I
car.
see him too. But Abdullah Juma, please use your mic, my hero.
Well,
Yes, Abdullah Juma in the session.
Abdullah Juma, please everyone, mute your mics. My heroes, mute your mics.
He paused himself.
Okay, maybe he has a problem with the mic. Okay, Tamim, go ahead.
No,
Which has the same value?
which has the same value as 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5.
How many 5s can you see in the repeated addition?
1,
2, 3. Yes?
2.
I see 5. 5
So-
plus 5 plus 5 plus 5.
So, which choice should we choose?
5 plus 20.
5 plus 20?
Yes. Here we have 5 and 5. 10. 5 and 5, 10. And 5,
5 times.
25.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right. Okay, do we have any other correct answers?
Yes, 5 multiply 5.
Excellent. So in this question, my heroes, we have 2 correct answers. Using multiplication, 5 times 5. And 5 plus 20 is also 25. Okay, thank you, my hero. Hassan Sultan. Hassan Sultan.
Yes, teacher.
Which has the same value as 3 multiplied by 4? Hassan, use your mic.
Twelve.
Okay, 3 multiplied by 4 is 12, which has the same value, which is also 12.
B.
3 plus 4. Do you mean 3 plus 4 is 12?
No.
Mm-hmm. So can you say this as repeated addition? Write it as repeated addition. You can repeat 3 4 times, and you can repeat 4 3 times. Okay, Hassan, in which one of these we have 3 repeated 4 times or 4 repeated 3 times? Hassan, use your mic, my hero.
Teacher, Hassan Sultan or Hassan Simon?
No, Hassan Sultan. Hassan Sultan.
Yes.
In which choice we have 3 multiplied by 4 means 3 repeated 4 times and also 4 repeated 3 times.
4 plus 4 plus 4.
So A. Thank you, Hassan. Great work. And my hearers, when someone answer any question, please do not mute your mic when you are answering the question. Anas Usama. Anas Usama. Anas Usama.
Yes, teacher.
Okay,
Yes,
Anas.
teacher.
Which of the following shows 4 multiplied by 2?
C.
Okay, can you explain? You said C.
Okay. The C is the 1 times is 4 and the R 2 times and the 2 times this is R4. 2 times 4 equal 8.
Oh, that's right. And also we can say that 4 multiplied by 2, so we have 4 rows and 2 columns.
Yes.
Thank you, my hero. We have 4 rows of 2. Okay, my heroes, any problems? Okay, let's move to the next question. Tahir?
Yes, teacher.
What multiplication sentence should Sarah write for this array?
What?
How many rows?
3.
3 rows. And how many columns? How many counters in each row, my hero? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you said that we have 3 rows and 4 columns.
Teacher, I want to answer.
And the total is?
بدك تشرحها لا.
D.
Tahir, do you hear me?
Yes.
I'm asking questions and you say something else. So I don't know if you have any problems. My hero, explain why it's D.
Wow.
What for?
طيب.
What do you mean?
زي كذا بالانجليزي.
Wow.
For what?
Three.
Oh, Tahir, you keep saying numbers and I don't understand. What is the 3 and what is the 4?
Wow.
Oh, you keep saying numbers, but anyways, thank you, Tahir. Thank you, my hero. So, here, my heroes, we have 3 rows and 4 columns. And the total is 12. So that's why we choose letter D. Khalid Walid,
Yes.
go ahead.
5 times 4 equal 20. So 4 times 5 equal 20. B.
Excellent. Will you please tell me what is this property? What do we call this property?
Subtract.
Oh, no. Subtraction is not property, it's operation. Okay, thank you, Khalid. Can anyone, my heroes, tell me the name of this property? What do we call this property?
Commutative.
Excellent, Ahmed. It's commutative property.
Yes, teacher, I'm saying.
Okay, thank you, heroes. Please mute your mics.
Commutative property.
Okay, thank you, Khalid. Please mute your mic.
Commutative property.
Commutative.
Commutative property.
Okay, thank you, Khalid. Okay, my heroes. Now let's move to the next question. Anas Tamim. Anas Tamim.
Yes, teacher.
Go ahead.
Jay has 12 pencils. He wants to place the same number of pencils in each of the 3 boxes. How many pencils should Jay put in each box? 4.
Okay, can you explain?
Because 3 multiplied by 4 equals 12.
So the answer is 4 because 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. Excellent. Thank you, my hero. And of course, my heroes, we can do this in another way using 3 groups since we have 3 boxes. And we start putting pencils or counters in groups. So we can do 3 circles and start counting up to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 4 in each group. The size of each group is 4. Okay, my heroes, any problems? And if we want to write it as an equation, can anyone help me to write it as an equation? Using 12 and 3. I want to write 12 and something here, then 3. So what should I write? Multiplied?
No, divide.
Excellent, my hero. So we write divide. So 12 divided by 3, and the answer is 4. 4 is the size of each group. Okay, let's move to the next question. Abdullah Dosari. Go ahead, Abdullah.
Newton has 9 pencil plates. He wants to plan plates and
Equal
number of plates on each from 3
shelves.
How many plates should he place on each shelf?
Okay, now my hero, in this question, we need to multiply or we need to divide the 9. This 9, we need to multiply it or divide it? Okay, so we need to divide the 9 to how many shelves? How many groups?
3.
So let's divide it into 3 groups. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Let's start counting. Count with me. 1. We're counting 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many in each group? What is the size of each group? How many counters in each group?
3.
3. So the answer should be letter C. Thank you, Abdullah. Good work. Abdurrahman Abu Dagga.
Yes, teacher.
Go ahead.
I want to find out how many groups of 2 are in 16. If he used subtract, what is his first step? Of course, he add 16 to 2.
Okay, let's see. My hero, we need to find how many groups of 2 are in 16.
Yeah.
So we need to multiply 16 by 2 or divide 16 divided 2.
What?
We need to find the number of groups.
Yeah.
So we need to divide the 16
Yeah.
into groups of size 2.
Yeah.
So we divide 16 into groups of the size 2. Okay, let's do it using subtraction, repeated subtraction.
I know, but it is hard, of course.
So the first step should be 16 minus 2 equals
2.
14.
Yeah.
Then in the next step, 14 minus 2 equals 12, and so on. Then we count how many times we subtracted. How many times we subtracted 2. So what is the first step?
Of course it is. Yeah.
Abdullah, mute your mic. Wait, safe mute your mic.
I would answer.
Abdurrahman, what is your answer?
Here, D.
Yes, we should subtract 16 minus 2. Then we take what we get, the answer of 16 minus 2, and subtract another 2, and so on. We do this many times, and we count the number of times that we subtracted 2. Okay? Okay, we can finish this, but we solved the question anyways. We can do it just to remind you about what we were doing. Let's continue. I'll continue with this to find 16 divided by 2. So 12 minus 2 equals 10. 10 minus 2 equals 8. 8 minus 2 equals 6. 6 minus 2 equals 4. I should continue on the next page. 4 minus 2 equals 2. 2 minus 2 equals 0. We need to count how many times we subtracted 2. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. 7, 8. So we subtracted 2 8 times. That's how we use repeated subtraction to divide. Okay, thank you, Abdurrahman.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, who's this?
I am the big brother of Saif. Can you let him answer?
You don't need to tell me that. I'm calling the names.
You're going by turns.
Again?
You're going by one turns.
What do you mean? Okay, if you have any problems, please send it to me on WhatsApp. We can discuss this in public.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, my heroes. Let's move to the next question. Al-Janubi.
Yes, teacher.
Go ahead.
There were 5 shades of
Gerbils. In a shipment.
To the bed door, there were 4
Gerbils
in
in each cage.
cage. How many
Abdurrahman, mute your mic.
were in the
Okay, so we have 5 cages, and in each cage we have 4 gerbils.
body?
Excellent. Can you explain?
4 and 4, 8, and 4 and 4, 8. 8 and 8 is 16, and 4, 16 plus 4 plus 4 equals 4.
Excellent, my hero. We call this repeated addition, and also we can write it as multiplication equation. We can use multiplication, 5 multiplied by 4, 5 groups of 4, and we should get the same answer, 20. Thank you, my hero. Ahmed Abu Zaid,
Yes, teacher.
go ahead.
I don't answer. I am a man.
Abdurrahman, do not use your mic without permission.
Which of these
Describes all the animal speeds shown. We have lizard, 18 miles per hour, and these are the speeds. Anyways, these numbers, look at these numbers. They are all greater than 14, yes or no?
Is it 12?
Okay, so 12 is less than 14. They are all less than 18?
No, there's one is 8.
We have 18 and also we have more than 18, which is 20. So this one also is wrong. Okay, so these two are wrong. They are all multiples of 2?
Yes.
Yes, because they are all even numbers. They are all multiples of 5?
No.
No, because, yes? Multiples of 5 and n?
With
Uh-huh.
5.
5 or 0. So these numbers, no, we have 18. This is not multiple of 5. Multiples of 5 should end in 0 or 5, like 20.
Yeah.
Thank you, Ahmed. Great work. Okay, my heroes, let's move to the next one.
Teacher,
Yes, Abdurrahman.
of course that it is hard.
No, it's the same like these questions. Ibrahim Fahad?
Yes, teacher.
What two factors could Jeff write to get a product of 35?
The 10 was the 5 was the 9.
9 times 5?
Yes.
Okay, my hero, 9 multiplied by 5 is 45. No, your answer is wrong. You should keep the timetable, Ibrahim.
Okay.
Okay, so what is 7 multiplied by 5?
7 multiplied 5.
Oh, Ibrahim, my hero, please keep the timetable. And my hero, 7 multiplied by 5 is 35. Khalid Shredi, you don't have permission to use your mic. So we should choose 7 and 5. We can multiply 7 multiplied by 5 equals 35. So the correct answer here, my hero, is letter A. Ibrahim, please keep the timetable, my hero. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, my heroes, the next question. Okay, this one answered. Abdullah Juma?
Teacher.
Yes, Sultan.
Yes. Today we have quiz.
No. Abdullah, go ahead.
Each bunk bed cabin holds 2 people. How many people can 6 bunk beds hold?
So the 2 is the size. And the 6 here is the number of groups. This is multiplication or division? We need to repeat the 2, right? You used addition? Okay, my hero, we have 6 beds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the size of each bed? How many people?
2.
So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now count all counters.
12.
Okay, so my hero, the answer is 12. And in fact, this is multiplication because we are repeating the 2. So we can say it. 6 times 2 equals 12. Okay, thank you, Abdullah. Any problems, my heroes?
No.
Okay.
No, but Khalid Walid is writing the chat.
In the next question, safe. Safe. Safe.
Get this up.
Go ahead.
Yours is
$5 per hour. How much does she earn if she works for 8 hours?
40.
Can you explain?
Huh?
Explain to us.
40.
I heard you, but I'm asking you to explain. Of course, my heroes, 8 hours, and for each hour 5, so we are repeating 8 multiplied by 5 equals what number? And of course, the answer is 40.
40.
Thank you, Saif. Great work. Okay. Radi?
Teacher.
10 times what number equals 70?
7.
Excellent, my hero. So the answer is letter A. Okay, let's move to the next question. And Abdulaziz Al-Hurayb.
Yes, teacher. Lauren picks 10 flowers a day for each of 5 days. How many flowers in all does she pick 5 days? It's 10 multiply 5 equal 50.
So the correct choice is letter
C.
Thank you. Great work, Abdulaziz. Okay. Abdul Rahman Ayman.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, go ahead.
Mr. Marx wrote the following problem on the board. 10 times 10 equals to 100.
Okay. So which one should we choose? Great work, my hero. Thank you, my hero. Okay. Now, my heroes, do you have any problems or any questions?
No.
Teacher, I
No.